In this lesson, we're gonna see how to parent objects in Maya. So here in the scene, I have a spoon. So if I select the handle and move it, as you see, the child is not moving with that. So we need to parent them. So first we need to select the child and then shift and select the handle. And now if I go to edit and then click on parent, or you can hit P on the keyboard. So if I click on that, so now if I select the handle, as you see, the second part moving with that. And if I go to the Windows and then I'm going to open the outliner. So the outliner will list all the objects in the scene here. So as you see, I have the handle and I have the second part. And because I parented them, as you see, the second part is under the handle. I can click on that to close that, or I can open it to see the child under the handle. So now let's unparent that. So we need to select the child and then go to edit and then unparent. As you see, now we don't have that plus icon there. Another way to parent them, we can select the second part, which is the child, and then hold the middle mouse button and drag and drop it on the handle. Now as you see, it's under the handle. Now it's parented. So if you want to unparent that, you can select that and go to edit and unparent, or you can just hold the middle mouse button and drag and drop it somewhere in the outliner. So now we unparented them. And let's do another thing. Let's parent them. Let's select that, shift and select the handle and hit P on the keyboard. So now if I select the handle, as you see, the pivot is at the center. So let's say I want to animate the spoon, but the problem is now the pivot is here. So I want to move the pivot somewhere here. So I can do that if I hit D on the keyboard or insert. So let's hit D. As you see, now the manipulator changes. So now I can click and drag it somewhere here. So now if I hit D or insert again on the keyboard, as you see, now the manipulator is here. So now I can rotate it from this pivot. Let's say you want to center the manipulator at the center of the object. So you can go to modify and then you can click on center pivot. As you see, Maya centers that on the object.